Hi guys, I'm back. Hi guys, I am back with this vlog, and today it's Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today's video is all about baking because right now is a perfect time to learn and try new things. So I thought, why not do baking with Brooke? So today the recipe we're gonna learn is chocolate brownie cookies. So they're basically like crinkle cookies. And I got this recipe from the Taste of Home magazine. So are you guys ready to learn how to make them? Here we go. Before we start, make sure you have all the ingredients. So the ingredients you're gonna need are flour, sugar, powdered sugar, vegetable oil, salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, chocolate, and last but not least, an egg. And make sure you have a large bowl and a mixer. So how much do we need? Okay, so now that we have all our ingredients measured, we're now going to place them in a large bowl. Okay, so after you mix half the mixture, you're then slowly going to add baking powder, salt, and flour. Okay, so now you've mixed everything, so you're gonna put it in the fridge for 2 hours. So we're now back. It's been 2 hours since we had this chilling in the fridge, and this is what it looks like. So we're gonna turn on the oven now. And also put some spray on your cookie sheet, just so they don't stick. So we're gonna do that right now. You're gonna wanna make sure you get a little bit of powdered sugar on your hands. Woo! And then you're just gonna pick some of the dough, and then you're just gonna roll it in your powdered sugar. See you guys soon. Okay, so now we finished rolling the cookies. So this recipe I think can make anywhere between 14 to 17 cookies. I was able to make 15, but it's all based on how big you make the cookies. So we're now gonna throw them in the oven. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please like, comment down below, and subscribe because I'm still not sure when I'm going to be posting, but I can say I do want to post more. So if you guys try out this recipe, please let me know in the comments down below how it went for you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you guys next time.